Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we connect package Logger to Flutter. Open default project, then we add package Logger to pubspec YAML, open main.dart, update information, then we create variable Logger, add import, and now we'll start with error logger, write logger.e, write error log, save, remove class myApp, hot restart, and we get information. Now we write parameter error, write test error, save, hot restart, and we get information. Then we add parameter stack trace, write stack trace dot empty, then we update current. Now we add info logger dot write info log, and we can add information. Then we add warning log, add stack trace, next we add debug log, write logger, write debug log, then we add fatal log, next we write logger dot log, and we can change type logger, write level dot error, and write message error message, save, can update stack trace, write stack trace empty. Update fatal. Info. Debug. And warning. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.